Tower 0747, Sierra Delta, holding short, runway 27, looking for a left crosswind departure.
Sierra 747, Sierra Delta, Riverside Tower, caution, personnel equipment south, runway 27 near Echo, runway 27 cleared for takeoff, southbound approved.
Clear for takeoff, 27, Sierra Delta, thank you.
Clear right, finals clear, all's good to go. Good stuff. Take it away, Jemay.
Power set, register in the green, airspeed is alive.
I would get the flaps out.
Out?
Yep.
Or out?
Yeah, we're way fast. You want to keep it climbing. There we go. Beautiful. And clear right.
Right.
There we are. Beautiful day today.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's good. Right here, you could, and we could just do this. Boom, direct, activate, and it'll go straight line. It will redraw that pink line. You see that?
Yep.
Awesome. We'll keep the needle centered, climbing up to 4,500 feet, and we're on our way. Good stuff, James. Beautiful. And the Charlie is no longer a factor at 27, so you're good to climb all the way up to 45. See that? We just cleared the Charlie. Good. Solid. Where's the needle? To our right or left?
To our right.
Good. Good work. Very nice. And what I want you to do is lead the turn. Don't start turning when we reach that waypoint. Start turning now, nice and shallow. Right now, start turning. Good. More and more. There you go. Keep that coming. Good. And eventually you'll end up right on that line as opposed to overshooting it.
Sierra Delta, frequency change approved.
Frequency change, 7 Sierra Delta, have a good day.
Hey, Jim.
See how beautiful that was? You led your turn. Look at that.
Yeah.
You're right on it. This will turn pink here in a moment. Now you could go wings level. Good. And there you go. Absolutely solid. See that runway right there in the distance? What airport is that?
That was Corona.
Good work.
So 7561 Golf, Riverside Tower, caution, there's traffic at the northeastern shore of the lake at 2,300
How's our needle looking?
Proceed to the auto center, enter left base runway 27.
Needle's good.
Proceed to the auto center.
What I didn't do before...
The traffic, and I've also got them on my...
Is the needle good? Where's the needle?
Hold on 1 second. I'll find it.
I want the needle to be a higher priority than frequencies. Show me a centered needle. Make it important to you. Where's the wind coming from? Good, so will it push us, blow us towards the needle or away from it?
No, it's pushing us away from it.
Good, so we need to not only go towards the needle, we also need to overcome that wind.
Right.
Solid work. Good stuff. 600 feet to go. Go a little more towards the needle. Got all that wind. Good stuff. 300 feet to go. There you go. Now we're coming to it. Beautiful. Good stuff. There's 45. Good. Now, how would you safely transition to autopilot?
GPS and then all.
Are we above or below the altitude?
Or
slightly above, so
yeah.
be vertical. Good, let's do it. Good. Keep holding the yoke. Keep holding the yoke.
Okay.
Good work. Once you have confirmed and made sure the plane's doing what you want it to do, you could reluctantly and slowly transition from hand flying the plane to monitoring the system.
Right.
Very nice work. Good. Once you're done leaning, I want you to take a sip of situational awareness, which is what we always do at top of climb.
Yep.
And I want you to tell me the distance between us and Fullerton and how long the computer says it'll take us.
19.4, 7 minutes, so I need to get to work.
Cool.
Fullerton Tower information, November 2153 Zulu weather. Wind 220 at 5, visibility 10. Sky clear, temperature 27, dew point -2, altimeter 2993. VOR Alpha approaching use, arriving and departing runway 24. Advise, on this contact, you have November.
What was the altimeter setting?
2993. Up.
Yeah. Good work. Solid work. Let's think descent-wise. What's the TPA there?
TPA is 1100.
Call it 1,000. We're at 45. How many chunks of 500 fit between 1,000 and 45?
So we got 6.
How much?
7.
Good. So how many minutes out are we?
So we're 6 minutes when you get our asses down.
Perfect. 4,500, 500 feet a minute. Good work. Things hit you in the face quickly on short flights.
CSY 77, Fulton ground, proceed via Delta, cross runway 24.
Very good. Yep, we're 6 minutes out, 15 miles. Where are you going to call them?
10 miles.
Cool. Sounds good. Thinking ahead, staying ahead of the airplane, staying ahead of the airplane. It's all about staying ahead of the airplane. When you drive a car, how far ahead of the car do you think your mind is? If you had about maybe a car or two's worth, right? Not too far ahead. In a plane, you see how far ahead you have to be?
Yeah.
Right now, our minds are like in Fullerton, waiting for us to show up. Always thinking ahead, thinking ahead, thinking ahead, thinking ahead. Which you have become really good at, by the way.
What's that?
Thinking ahead and staying ahead of the airplane.
Oh.
Yeah, since you and I started flying,
Yeah.
you're staying ahead of the airplane in ways that are amazing. Frequencies, setting up, the whole thing.
Yeah.
Descents, really, really, really good. Staying ahead of the airplane. Good stuff.
Skyline 49er Sierra, runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
Tower, 1291 Foxtrot, over the Brea Pass, 3,000 feet with November, inbound the line for 24.
Bonanza 97 Alpha Hotel, standby. And November 12901 Foxtrot, Fullerton Tower, you'll be following a Cirrus inbound about 3 miles southeast of the water treatment plant. They're indicating 150 knots.
Honestly, staying ahead of the airplane will solve most problems pilots face. Not all of them, but staying ahead of the airplane will solve most problems.
Hotel Fullerton ground, say again, destination. Bonanza 97 Alpha Hotel on departure, turn left, heading 120. Departure frequency will be 125.35 and squawk 0263.
And Fullerton Tower, good afternoon, Sierra 747 Sierra Deltas, 9 miles to the east with November inbound full stop.
Sierra 747 Sierra Delta, Fullerton Tower, make a straight in runway 24.
Straight in 247 Sierra Delta.
Good.
And, the 7 Alpha
And let me know when you have the airport in sight.
Run it complete.
Pretty positive that's it, right?
Cool. So are we currently
traffic to follow with
No, so the runway is kind of like
4 miles.
this.
like that or like that?
Cirrus, altitude
yes,
indicates
yes.
2,700.
Perfect. So for straight in, we need to maneuver. Exactly. Yep. Good work. Yeah, we can throw the autopilot away. Good stuff. Make sense?
Yep.
Perfect. Good.
24 waiting release. Skyline 6049 Sierra Fullerton Tower, hold short of
You can
runway
keep the
24,
power coming.
awaiting release.
Okay.
Stand by.
Yeah, there's no reason to go that slow. We're ahead of the airplane. We have all our tasks done. Everything's good. You could fly the airplane.
294 Julie Yankee VOR Alpha.
One thing you'll never hear me say is don't not enjoy your powerful, great airplane. What I'm saying is sometimes when you're learning new things and you're falling behind and it's slapping you in the face so quickly, reduce that power setting in this plane so you don't go 150 miles over the ground.
Right.
But when you're ahead of the game and you got everything done and you're good to go and your situational awareness is great, have at it.
Yeah.
Enjoy it. It's a powerful, good plane. Fly the airplane.
Yeah.
When you're in a pattern, you want to slow down because there's other planes.
Aircraft standby.
Make sense?
Offline, talking to SoCal Approach, trying to get an IFR release. Skyline 400 Sierra. SoCal Approach says expect about 2 minutes on your release.
Sir, copy.
Cessna 91 Foxtrot, traffic to follow is 12 o'clock now, 3 miles at 2,100.
Negative traffic, 1291 Foxtrot.
Sling 294 Juliet Yankee, Fullerton Ground, correction, Fullerton Tower, say intentions after missed approach.
Would like to proceed direct to beach and hold back to SoCal 4 Juliet Yankee.
Sling 4 Juliet Yankee, roger, execute of a missed approach south of the runway.
Execute missed south of the runway 4 Juliet Yankee.
Bonanza 7 Alpha Hotel, runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
We're approaching the airport. I'm zooming in a touch. You see that?
Yep.
And Skyline 490 Sierra, so you don't block traffic behind you, cross runway 24, and then make a 180, hold short runway 24 is Bravo on the north side.
Looking at your screen, it looks like we'll have a right or left crosswind. Cool.
Sierra.
Solid work.
Service site 1291 Foxtrot.
Now I would start slowing because it takes time for this plane to slow down. It loves to fly fast.
And Skyline 490 Sierra, they just
And are we high or low on the
sorry for the trouble.
approach
You could
path?
make a 180 and
little all right, so let's hold our altitude a touch until we get those 2 whites, 2 reds, and then we'll keep that down. There it is.
Sierra 7 Sierra Delta, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear land 247 Sierra Delta.
Cessna 91 Foxtrot, number 2, follow the Cirrus, a mile and a half ahead of you, runway 24, clear to land.
Runway 24 to land, we have traffic in sight 1291 Foxtrot.
And did anybody else call Fullerton Tower or ground?
I got the airplane departing. See them?
Yep.
Cool.
Fullerton Tower, Bonanza, November 97 Alpha Hotel, holding short, runway 24, ready to go.
Bonanza 97 Alpha Hotel, Fullerton Tower, landing traffic, hold short of runway 24.
Holding short, runway 24.
What's our max speed for the flaps 100?
Skyline 490 Sierra, there's a sling inbound over not
10
very far
what?
on the VOR. Continue runway heading, I'll call your
Good.
left
So
turn.
let's make sure we're under that before we go flaps 100.
Fullerton Tower, swing 294 Juliet Yankee going missed.
Sling 4 Juliet Yankee, roger, execute the missed approach.
Take it away.
SoCal departure 125.35.
Contact SoCal 125.35.
500.
Skyline 490 Sierra, the sling is over Knott's Berry Farm, turning eastbound now, climbing out of 2000. Your left turn is approved. Contact SoCal departure.
Left turn and traffic site for SoCal departure, Skyline 6049 Sierra.
Unbelievably textbook. Unbelievably textbook. You even touched down with that left wheel first, which is phenomenal, and the center line.
7 Sierra Delta, say taxi request.
North hangars, please.
7 Sierra Delta, taxi to the North hangars via Bravo, good day.
Hangars via Bravo, good day, 7 Sierra Delta.
Jimmy, that was phenomenal.
That was one of my better ones for sure.
So proud of you, man. Good work.
Wind 220 at 6.
Really good work.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Started off a little shaky.
It takes a minute to warm up and get into it.
Yeah.
That's what we call a catch-up period. Every session has a period of time where you catch up and bring yourself up to the point you left off last time. The longer time that elapsed between your previous session to now, the longer time it will take you to complete that catch-up period to come up to par to where you left off last time, which is why frequency and consistency ultimately is the best thing ever, because the catch-up periods are short each time you show up. Make sense?
Yeah.
Solid work.